Hi, dear learners. This is Teacher Annette, and welcome back to Effective Communication. Before we officially begin our first lesson, let us start with something very important. Today, we will learn 10 vocabulary words, a glossary of key terms that you must understand, master, and apply throughout the whole school year. These are not just simple words, these are the foundation words of your subject effective communication. Here are the top 10 words that everyone should master. First word, context. Context is the situation or setting where communication happens. It includes who you are talking to, where you are, why you are communicating, and what the situation is. In short, context is the environment or circumstance that gives meaning to your message. For example, the way you speak to your friend is different from how you speak in a job interview. That difference happens because of context. Second is tone. Tone is the attitude or feeling behind your message. Are you formal, friendly, serious, persuasive? Your tone changes depending on your context and audience. The third is audience. Audience refers to the person or group receiving your message. You adjust your language depending on who you are communicating with. The fourth is purpose. Purpose is the reason why you are communicating. Are you informing, persuading, explaining, expressing? Interpret. To interpret means to understand, analyze, and explain the meaning of spoken, written, or multimodal text. Engage. To engage means actively participate, asking questions, responding thoughtfully, and collaborating in discussions. Next word is express. Express communication is about expressing your ideas clearly and confidently in oral, written, and multimodal forms. Reflect. This is very important in effective communication. Reflection happens in every lesson. To reflect means to think deeply about your communication performance, such as what did I do well? What can I improve? How can I grow? Reflection transforms communication into improvement. Next word is adapt. To adapt means to adjust your language, tone, and strategy depending on the context and audience. And the last is ethical communication. This means communicating with honesty, respect, cultural sensitivity, and responsibility, especially in digital spaces. Dear learners, if you master these 10 words, you will understand the heart of effective communication. I hope you learned something from today's lesson. Keep these 10 words in your mind and in your practice. Happy learning!